हाँ जी, hello students, good morning. So today we will do the next topic that is exercise 10.2. Okay. In the last lecture we have done the topics, we have done the addition, how to add the triangle of vector addition, parallelogram law of vector addition, section formula, the line joining 2 points, the vectors joining 2 points, then द यूनिट वैक्टर ठीक है जी इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀਗੇ एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द exercise 10.2 so very first question of this exercise is compute the magnitude of the following vectors ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ ਮੈਗਨੀਟਿਊਡ ਦਾ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ as you know the formula of magnitude is under root x square plus y square plus z square. I'm giving the hint of this question. You can do yourself by using this formula. Okay, I think you can simplify this question number 1 yourself because it has a vector, b vector and c vector. ठीक है जी. So a vector the magnitude, b vector the magnitude and c vector the magnitude. You have to find it. Okay जी. Next question. Question number 2 beta. Question number 2 is the write two different vectors having same magnitude. दो different vector लिखने आ जिन्हां दी magnitude same होवे. So you can write this. Let a vector is equal to I cap minus j cap. ठीक है जी. And b vector I am taking this as I cap plus k cap. So these are the two vectors which are having a vector magnitude is equal to root 2 and b vector magnitude is also root 2 but a vector is not equal to b vector. So this is the you have to give the example here for the two different vectors having same magnitude. And in third question write the two different vectors having same direction. Write two vectors having same direction. तो इधर विच आप ले लेने हैं a vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap और b vector तुसी ले लेना बच्चे स्केलर मल्टीपल जिवें 2 ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਦਾ 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap ठीक है जी. As you see its magnitude is under root 6 and its magnitude is different. So 4 plus 4 8 8 plus 16 that is 24 ठीक है जी. So the magnitudes are different but having same direction. Okay जी. Direction same है magnitude different है. You can give this example. Next बच्चे question number 4 is very easy. You have to find the values of x and y so that the two vectors are equal करना बच्चे ते 2 is equal to x ते 3 is equal to y. So आ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ आंसर आ जाएगा. Question number 5 बेटा find the scalar and vector components. As I have told you the components, there are two components, one is a scalar component and other is a vector components. So scalar and vector components find करने बच्चे तुसी line the vector with the initial point 2,1 and the final point is the terminal point is -5,7. So let this is the point A point ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 2,1 ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ B point terminal point ਹੈਗਾ -5,7. You have to find, firstly you have to write the vector AB vector find कर लो बच्चे. Question number this was question number 5. So AB vector on the position vector of B minus position vector of A. As you see, this is two dimensional, so we can say this as a -5 -2 I cap plus 7 -1 j cap. So the value of AB vector is, ठीक है जी, AB vector ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ -7 I cap plus 6 j cap. So the scalar components, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ scalar components ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ, scalar components ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ -7 and 6, and the vector components are -7 I cap and 6 j cap. So these are the vector components and scalar components. ठीक है जी. Next question बच्चे, question number 6. This is also very easy. Find the sum of these three vectors. ਸਮ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਮੀਨਸ i ਵਾਲੇ i ਚ ਐਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, j ਵਾਲੇ j ਚ ਐਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, k ਵਾਲੇ k ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, then you can find the sum of these three vectors, a vector plus b vector plus c vector. Okay ji. And question number 7 is also very easy. You can find the value of unit vector along the direction of the vector. हाँ जी, question number 7 is very easy. You can use this formula, vector upon its magnitude, a vector over a vector the magnitude. You can use this formula for finding the unit vector in the direction of a vector. A vector is given to you, that is I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. This is very easy question. You can simplify it yourself. Next is also very easy. Question number 8, that is find the unit vector in the direction of PQ vector, where P and Q are the points given as. So it is also very easy. The point P is 1 2 3 and the point Q is 4 5 6. Firstly you have to find this PQ vector. PQ vector find करना बच्चे Q minus P, terminal minus initial, so we will get 4 minus 1 I cap plus 5 minus 2 j cap plus 6 minus 3 k cap. So we will get the value here 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap. So this is the vector PQ vector. Now you have to find the unit vector, means the PQ unit vector आपा find करना है. So you can use this formula, vector upon its magnitude. So you can easily solve it. Again you can solve it. ठीक है जी. So this was question number 8. Now let us take the question number 9 here. Question number 9 for this exercise is, for given vectors a vector and b vector, find the unit vector in the direction of a plus b. Question number 9, a vector is given to you and b vector is also given to you. A vector is 2 I cap minus j cap, 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap, and the b vector is equal to minus I cap plus j cap minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So these are the two vectors given. First of all you have to find their sum, a vector plus b vector. It is, let it be c vector. So when we add these two vectors, I वाले I च add कीते तो 2 ते minus 1 plus 0 ते plus k cap. When we add these two vectors, we will get this I cap plus k cap. ठीक है बच्चे. Now you have to find the unit vector in the direction of, means you have to find c cap, that is c vector over its magnitude. You can solve it yourself. Vector upon its magnitude is the unit vector, right? Next question बच्चे, question number 10, that is find a vector in the direction of, हाँ जी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 भी सिमिलर टू दैट एग्जांपल्स है. आपा फाइंड करना है, फाइंड अ वेक्टर इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ, मतलब ए वेक्टर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ गिवन हैगा हाँ जी, डायरेक्शन इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द वेक्टर 5 i कैप माइनस j कैप ਤੇ प्लस 2 k कैप हैविंग मैग्नीट्यूड कितनी ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ 8 यूनिट्स मैग्नीट्यूड इज इक्वल टू 8 यूनिट्स। ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਵੈਕਟਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ that is a vector ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦੀ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ। direction means you have to find a vector upon its magnitude, we have done it। So this is 5 i cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap divided by ਇਹਦਾ magnitude 25 plus 4 29 plus 1 that is root 30। So this is the value of a cap। Now you can use the formula magnitude into direction। ठीक है जी, magnitude into direction that is 8 into this 5 i cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap over root 30। So this is the right answer, that is 40 upon root 3 i cap minus 8 upon root 3 j cap plus 16 over root 30 sorry root 30, it is not 3, it is 30 root 30 k cap। So this is your right answer for this question। Okay ji, now next question is question number 11। show that the two vectors are collinear। question number 11, show that two vectors, let a vector is given, let a vector is equal to 2 i cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap and b vector is equal to minus 4 i cap plus 6 j cap plus 8 k cap plus sorry the minus 8 k cap। ਆਪਾਂ show करना कि these two vectors are collinear। So as you see, the condition of collinear means if one is the scalar multiple of other, means you can say b ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ b ਵੈਕਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ -2 ਕਾਮਨ ਲੈ ਲਓ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ, ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਚ ਜਾਊਗਾ 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap। So as you see, b vector is equal to -2 into a vector। It means it shows that a and b are collinear, a vector and b vector are collinear। ठीक है जी, ये collinear है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, फाइंड द डायरेक्शन कोसाइन्स ऑफ द वेक्टर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, डायरेक्शन कोसाइन्स ऑफ द वेक्टर i cap plus 2j cap ते plus 3k cap। So beta ji, direction cosine find करने, you have to find the direction cosines of this vector। So first of all we have to find the direction ratios। direction ratios ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣਗੇ the coefficients of i cap j cap k cap, that is 1 2 and 3। So whenever you find direction cosines, you can use the formula as you know। direction cosines ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ 1 upon its magnitude, ਇਹਦਾ magnitude ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ root 14। ठीक है जी, and this is 2 upon root 14 and 3 upon root 14। So this is the right answer for this direction cosines। Next बच्चे question number 13 is find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points a and b directed from a to b। So first of all you have to find this AB vector, then find direction cosines। This is also very easy question। So the point A is given to you, that is -1 -2 1, and the point B has the coordinates, these are the coordinates of B, -1 -2 1। ठीक है जी, and the coordinates of this are 1 2 and -3. These are the coordinates of A and B. Okay, first of all you have to find the value of AB vector. AB vector means the position vector of B minus position vector of A, that is equal to -1 I cap plus -2 j cap plus 1 plus 4 1 plus 3 k cap. So this is the -2 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap. This is the value of AB vector. Now you can find the direction cosines yourself now. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ, direction ratios find ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ। direction ratios ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ -2 -4 ਤੇ 4, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਸੋ direction ratios ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, you can take 2 common, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜਾਂ -2 common ਲੈ ਲਓ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹਦੇ direction ratios ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਬਣ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ 1 2 -2, ठीक है जी। Now whenever you find the direction cosines of this vector, you will get this 1 over 3 2 over 3 and -2 over 3, because 3 is the magnitude of this vector, ठीक है जी, 1 2 and -2, right? So this is the direction cosines of this vector AB vector. Now next question is show that the vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap is equally inclined to OX, OY, OZ. This is question number 14. Show that I cap plus j cap plus k cap is equally inclined to the OX, OY and OZ. ठीक है जी। So first of all this is the vector. I am finding the direction ratios, or direction ratios are 1 1 1 and direction cosines are 1 by root 3 1 by root 3 1 by root 3. So as you know direction cosines ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma, ठीक है जी। So cos alpha, when we compare these direction cosines, so we will get cos alpha equal to cos beta is equal to cos gamma, that is equal to 1 by root 3. So all the direction cosines are given, therefore alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. So what does it mean? It means that they are equally inclined to OX, OY, OZ, because this alpha is the angle made by the vector with the OX, that is x-axis, and beta is the angle made by the vector with the y-axis, and gamma is the angle made by the vector with the z-axis. So it shows that they are equally inclined. Beta. Next question number 15. This question is very similar to the example. You have to find the position vector of R which divides the line joining the 2 points P and Q whose position vectors are given. Whose position vectors are given, ठीक है जी, in the ratio 2:1 internally or externally, right? So let this is the point P and this is point Q, and let there is a point R here and its ratio is 2:1. So the point P is given to you, position vector is given to I cap plus 2j cap, I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap, and the value of the position vector of this point Q is minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So these are the two position vectors of P and Q. You have to find the position vector of R so that this line joining this point divides the ratio 2:1. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗਾ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਫਸਟ ਪਾਰਟ ਇੰਟਰਨਲੀ, ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ। ਇੰਟਰਨਲੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ 2 into this plus 1 into this over 2 plus 1. So we will get 2 into minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap plus 1 into I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap over 2 plus 1. So when we simplify this, beta ji, you will get minus 2 I cap plus I cap minus I cap. Then it is 2j cap plus 2j cap, it is 4j cap. Then it is 2k cap minus k cap, that is plus k cap over 3. So this is the right answer for first part internally. ਤੇ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ externally ਇਹਨੂੰ divide ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ as you see ਇੱਥੇ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਵਿਚਾਲੇ. So what will be the answer? 2 into minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap minus 1 into I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap beta over 2 minus 1. So when we simplify this, this becomes a minus 3 I cap. ठीक है जी. Over the 1 है ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਿਖਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ. So we can say this is 2j cap minus 2j cap एक cancel हो गया. Then it is 2k cap plus k cap, that is plus 3k cap. So this is the right answer for this second part of this question. This was the question number 15 beta. ठीक है, एक बार internally divide करदा पे, एक बार externally divide करदा पे. You can simplify this. Next beta जी, question number 16, that is find the position vector of the midpoint of the vector joining the points P and Q. Hanji, question number 16, that is we have these 2 points P and Q. Okay ji, the point P is 2 3 4 2 3 4 and the point Q is 4 1 minus 2. So these are the 2 points. You have to find the position vector of the midpoint. Let the R be the midpoint of this. ठीक है जी. So the position vector of midpoint R of P and Q, that is equal to, you can use the midpoint formula. ठीक है जी. position vector of Q plus position vector of P divided by 2. So we will get 4 plus 2 by 2 I cap plus हाँ जी P plus Q एक तो गल है जी 1 plus 3 by 2 j cap plus 4 minus 2 by 2 k cap. ठीक है जी. So we will get the answer will be 3 I cap plus 2 j cap and this is k cap, right? So this is the right answer. This is the position vector of the midpoint of P and Q. ठीक है जी. Next question, question number 17. You have to show that the points A, B and C are the position with the position vectors small a vector, B vector and C vector respectively form the vertices of right angled triangle. बेटा ਆਪਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਲਾਸਟ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਸ਼ੋ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ how to show that these are the vertices of right angle triangle. So the point A ਦਾ position vector ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ given ਹੈ ਬੇਟਾ ਜੀ 3 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 4 k cap. This is the position vector of A. And similarly position vector of B, that is B vector, is equal to 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So this is the position vector of B, and at last the position vector of C, that is C vector, is equal to I cap minus 3 j cap, I cap minus 3 j cap minus 5k cap. So these are the three vertices of a triangle. You have to show this is the right angle triangle. So first of all beta ji, we have to find AB vector. AB vector means B minus A. B vector, position vector, AB minus A. So we will get this is minus I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. So whenever you find this magnitude of this AB vector, you will get 25 plus 9, 34 plus 1, 35. Root 35 is the magnitude of AB vector. Similarly, we have to find BC vector, that is C vector minus B vector, that is equal to minus I cap minus 2j cap minus 6k cap. So what is the magnitude? Its magnitude is root 41. Similarly, the value of AC vector is equal to C vector minus A vector, C vector minus A vector. CA भी find कर सकते, AC भी find कर सकते. So this is minus 2I cap plus J cap and this is minus K cap. ठीक है जी? And its magnitude is equal to root 6. So as you see, this BC vector magnitude square is equal to AB vector magnitude square plus AC vector magnitude square. So it follows the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So A, B, C are vertices of right angled triangle. ठीक है जी? So this is the question number 17. Okay जी? Now question number 18 is, हाँ जी, question number 18 में बच्चे ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ in the triangle ABC in the figure. This was question number 17. Now we are doing the question number 18 here. In this figure, ਇੱਥੇ triangle ਦਿੱਤੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ AB C. ठीक है जी? This is the triangle ABC. It is given. Which of the following is not true? First है ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ AB vector plus BC vector plus CA vector is equal to 0. हाँ जी, देखो जी, AB vector plus BC vector is equal to AC vector ਹੁੰਦਾ है. ठीक है जी? Yes, this is right beta. This is the triangle of vector addition. So this is the right one. Second देखना आपका AB vector plus BC vector minus AC vector. They are same thing beta ji. So this is also right one. And third one is C part is AB vector plus BC vector AB vector plus BC vector minus AC vector. They are same thing है ना? I think this is also same. And last one is D part is AB vector minus CB vector plus CA vector. Okay, these all are equal. They are all are same because minus CB vector means plus BC vector. AB vector plus BC vector plus CA vector is equal to 0. So this is also right. So there is no ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਫਾਲਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਮਿਸਪ੍ਰਿੰਟ ਹੋਵੇ ਬੱਚੇ, ਇੱਥੇ ਪਲੱਸ AC ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਵੀ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ, ਆ ਵੀ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ, ਆ ਵੀ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ, ਆ ਵੀ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ, ਸਾਰੇ ਸਹੀ ਨੇ. So there is no false statement. Now next is question number 19. Question number 19 is if A vector and B vector are two collinear vectors, then which of the following are incorrect? Which of the following are incorrect? Okay जी, so यस बेटा ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰ ਲਓ, ਇਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਥੋੜਾ ਕਾਪੀਡ ਰੋਂਗ ਸੀਗਾ। ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਸੀ ਪਾਰਟ ਜੋ ਹੈ वो कई बुक्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਥੇ CA ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ, if it is CA then this is a wrong one। so beta ji this C part is the incorrect, C is incorrect, C incorrect होगा जे ਇੱਥੇ -CA वेक्टर है, ठीक है जी। so C is the incorrect part। okay, now let us take the last question of this exercise, that is question number 19। which of the following is incorrect if A vector and B vector are two collinear vectors? जे A vector ਤੇ B vector दो collinear vectors ने तो which of the following is incorrect? तो ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਪਾਰਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ A vector is equal to B vector is equal to lambda into A vector। तो बेटा this is the first part of this। so yes, where for some scalar lambda, beta ji this is the condition of collinearity, as I have told you that one is the scalar multiple of other, so this is correct one। second part beta ji, second part is A vector is equal to plus minus B vector, ठीक है जी। A vector is equal to plus minus B vector। so this is also the scalar multiple, as it is written as A is equal to plus minus 1 into B vector, ठीक है जी। so plus minus 1 is the scalar number, so we can say this statement is also correct one। and third part is the respective components of A and B are not proportional। respective are proportional, respective the both the vectors। हाँ जी बच्चे, ਇਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ C ਪਾਰਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦਾ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟਿਵ ਕੰਪੋਨੈਂਟਸ। ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾ ਥੋੜੀ ਜਿਹੀ ਕੰਟਰੋਵਰਸੀ ਇਹ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਈ ਬੁక్స్ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ, ਉਹ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਿਸਪੈਕਟਿਵ ਕੰਪੋਨੈਂਟਸ of A vector and B vector are not proportional ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਜੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਪੋਰਸ਼ਨਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ A vector ਤੇ B vector ਦੇ ਕੰਪੋਨੈਂਟਸ, then these two are not collinear ਬੱਚੇ, because the collinear ਦੀ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਪੋਰਸ਼ਨਲ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। they should be, the components should be in proportional, ठीक है जी। and the last part D is that both the vectors A vector and B vector have same magnitude, have same direction but different magnitude, ठीक है जी। so beta ji this is also right one, because they have same direction, different magnitude, so it is understood that one is the scalar multiple of other, means their ratios are same, so you can say the right option is you can say C option is incorrect, C option is incorrect for this question, okay ji। so this is all about the exercise 10.2, okay ji। I hope ki you understood this topic beta, this exercise 10.2 you can easily solve this exercise, so thank you so much।